Welcome to TaxBandits, an IRS-authorized, compliance-driven e-file solution. Form 1099-R is an IRS information return used to report distributions of $10 or more from pensions, annuities, retirement or profit-sharing plans, IRAs, insurance contracts, and other similar sources during the tax year. It is typically filed by plan administrators, financial institutions, insurance companies, and other payers that distribute retirement benefits. TaxBandits offers a secure, self-service e-filing platform that enables businesses, financial institutions, and tax professionals to prepare and file Form 1099-R accurately and on time. To begin filing Form 1099-R in TaxBandits, click Start New, then select 1099-R from the Form 1099 series. TaxBandits supports filing for the current tax year as well as up to 2 prior tax years. Choose the appropriate tax year and click File Form 1099-R. Start by confirming the correct tax year at the top of the form. In the Payer section, enter the payer's legal business name, full mailing address, and employer identification number. Make sure this information matches IRS records exactly. Next, complete the Recipient section. Enter the recipient's full legal name, taxpayer identification number, and complete mailing address. If you assign account numbers for internal tracking, enter that in the account number field. Now move to the primary reporting boxes. Box 1 is used to report the total gross distribution paid during the year. Box 2A reports the taxable portion of that distribution. If the taxable amount is not determined, check Box 2B. If the distribution represents the entire account balance, check the total distribution box. If applicable, report any capital gain included in the taxable amount in Box 3. Box 4 is used to report any federal income tax withheld from distribution. If there were employee contributions, designated Roth contributions, or insurance premiums involved, report them in Box 5. Box 6 is used to report net unrealized appreciation in employer securities if applicable. In Box 7, enter the appropriate distribution code that identifies the type of distribution. If the distribution is from an IRA, SEP, or simple plan, check the corresponding box. Use boxes 8 through 11 only if they apply, such as reporting other amounts, percentage of total distribution, total employee contributions, or first year of designated Roth contributions. Enter the date of payment in Box 13. Finally, complete the state information section if state income tax was withheld. Enter the state, the payer's state identification number, the state distribution amount, and the state tax withheld. If no state income tax was withheld, this section can remain blank. Before filing, carefully review all payer information, recipient details, distribution codes, and reported amounts for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save and Continue. You'll be taken to a review screen where you can verify your entries, make edits, add additional forms, or proceed to the state filing section. Based on the information provided, TaxBandits automatically identifies and highlights any applicable state filing requirements. Next, proceed to Form Distribution, where you choose how recipients receive their copies. Options include postal mailing only or recipient portal access, which allows recipients to securely view their forms online. After distribution preferences are set, continue to review forms. TaxBandits automatically checks for missing or invalid information and flags any issues so they can be corrected before filing. When ready, proceed to the filing summary, add the filing to your cart, and move to checkout. To complete your order, review and acknowledge the credit card usage authorization. Confirm that you are authorized to use the entered payment method and grant TaxBandits permission to process the charge. Select Pay and Transmit to submit payment and transmit your filing to the IRS. Once payment is successfully processed, your order will be finalized. File Form 1099-R with confidence. Visit TaxBandits.com for a secure, IRS-authorized e-filing solution with built-in validations and expert support.